Hi friends, it's the Suitcase Teachers, Miss Allie
and Miss Steph,
and we are so excited about beginning our phonics suitcase adventures with you, going all the way through the alphabet from A to Z.
We're going to start our adventures with our 5 superstar letters. Miss Allie, do you know what those are called?
They're the vowels, A,
E,
I,
O,
and U. Did you also know, Miss Steph, that vowels have 2 very important jobs?
I think we need to share those jobs.
The first one is you can't have any words without a vowel in it.
Wow, that is very important.
Very important.
We wouldn't have any words without vowels.
We would not. 2, vowels make 2 completely different sounds. They have a long sound and a short sound.
And we're going to start our adventures with the short sound of our 5 superstar vowels.
And our very first 5 superstar vowel that we're going to learn today is...
Can you take a guess?
Wonder what it is. It's the letter A.
The letter A makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Can you say that with us?
A says ah, ah, ah.
Let's do that one more time.
A says ah, ah, ah. Also, to go along with our 5 superstar short vowel sounds, we're going to learn hand motions to go with it so that it might help us when we're trying to hear and see and know what those 5 superstar short vowel sounds are.
So let's learn the hand motion for the short sound of A. We make a fist and put our thumb on the side. And we'll go, A says ah, ah, ah. Can you do that with us? Make your fist, put your thumb on the side, and let's say it together.
A says ah, ah, ah.
Let's do it one more time.
A says ah, ah, ah. Ooh, Miss Steph, I wonder if our magical suitcase might have anything in it that begins with that first ah, A short vowel sound that we've learned.
I don't know, but I'm excited to find out.
I'm excited too. I do. Ooh, I do too. This is exciting.
The first thing that I see is an astronaut.
Wow, let's say that together. Astronaut. Ooh, and I see a alligator.
Let's say that one together.
Alligator.
And I see some apricot jelly.
Ooh, let's say that together. Apricot jelly. Ooh, and I see, last but not least, an apple.
Let's say that one together.
Apple.
Oh, I just thought about something.
What?
When I go do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
When I take an apple and I take a bite.
Miss Steph, that's so smart. That is what we do. Kind of looks like our hand motion with A.
Yeah.
Apple. Like we're taking a bite of our apple.
Yeah, that's a good way to remember
it. Wow,
yeah.
Miss Steph.
Apple.
So cool.
I wonder if any of these things that we saw in here is a hint where we might be going on our adventure.
Oh, that is a good idea.
What do you think?
I don't know. Let's go back through them.
Okay, so we had astronaut.
Astronaut. Well, let's see. Astronauts go into outer space.
Yeah, they go to the moon.
I don't think
on a spaceship.
I don't think we're doing that.
I don't think so.
That would be
a spaceship.
No, and I no, we're not doing that. And then we had an alligator.
Well, we can go some places and see alligators.
I mean, yeah, but they're a little dangerous.
Yeah, they bite.
Yeah, that might be a little scary.
Yeah, I don't want to get close to an alligator.
Same. I don't want to do that either.
How about apricot?
Well, Miss Steph, that might be somewhere we could go. They grow on trees.
So you could pick them and eat them.
And we could see what they look like, and we could tell you what they taste like, and that's a good one. Or the last one we did was an apple.
Well, there are apple orchards. They grow on trees too.
They do. I wonder which it's going to be, or if it's even in our magical suitcase.
That's right. It might be a surprise.
It might be.
So where do you think we're going? Take a guess.
You think? I don't know, but I sure am excited to go.
Are you ready to go?
I am.
All right, here we go.
All right, friends, we'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, friends. Do you know where the suitcase teachers are taking you today? Can you take a guess? That's right. We're at the
Apple orchard.
because apple orchard begins with A. A says as in apple orchard. Can you say it with us?
A says as in apple orchard.
So while we're here at the apple orchard, Miss Allie, let's learn some interesting facts about apples.
I would love that. Like one I know, these trees, these apple trees that you see here that produce all these beautiful apples, it takes up to 3 to 4 years before you ever see an apple on here.
Wow.
And they can grow to be 100 years old.
100 years old? That is so crazy.
100.
That's so old.
I know.
Wow, that's amazing.
Amazing.
Do you know when we harvest apples?
Well, what does harvest mean?
Harvest means to pick the apple or any fruit or vegetable when it's ready to eat, when it's ripe.
Okay, I'm going to go with spring.
No, we harvest apples from late summer, August, all the way through November.
Oh, during the fall.
Yeah.
So during late summer and the fall.
That's right.
Do you know how many types of apples there are?
I don't, but I'm guessing a lot.
There are thousands and thousands of apples.
Thousands? Wow, that's crazy.
Do you know some?
Mutsu.
Macintosh.
Golden Delicious.
Red Delicious.
Gala, that's my favorite.
Granny Smith, because that's my favorite.
Wow, that's a lot of apples.
That is a lot of apples. I don't even think we could name them all.
I don't think so.
Oh, there's funny names though. Like one of them is a pink lady.
Oh, that is funny.
And then there's something with a banana, but I can't remember what the name of that one is.
I don't know that one.
Yeah.
And
the bananas aren't apples.
Do you know the parts of an apple?
Parts of an apple. Well, it's right here.
Yeah. So
I mean, parts of a part.
Yeah, let's look at the apple.
Let's look at these.
The apple has 5 parts. A stem, a leaf, and then this is the skin. The skin is the part that you see. It's red, yellow, or green. Then on the inside of the apple, we have the flesh. That's the yummy, juicy part. And then the seeds.
Oh, I love it. Do you know what is the most nutritional part of the apple?
Well, it can't be the leaf because we don't eat the leaf.
Ugh, no.
Or the seeds because we don't eat the seeds.
Plus, you don't want to grow an apple in your belly.
No, I'm going to say it's the flesh because that's the yummiest, juiciest part.
It is, but it's not. It's the skin, Miss Steph.
Oh, wow.
The skin has 100% of your vitamin C that you need for the day.
Wow, that's crazy.
You ever heard that saying, an apple a day
keeps the doctor away?
That's why they say that, because if you eat one of these, you've had all your vitamin C for the whole day.
Wow.
Yeah.
But did you know there's a surprise, a secret inside of that apple?
I do. It's the core.
No. Oh, that's awesome. That's not the secret.
Oh. The seed, because if you take it and you plant it again, you get one of these.
That's true, but no, it has to do with the seeds, but it's not the seed itself. Let me show you.
know.
An apple has a star on the inside.
No way.
Yeah, it's the star. It's where the seeds are. There are 5 points because a star has 5 points.
Wow, I bet you could do cool things with these. Like maybe you could put it in some paint.
Yeah.
And then put it on a piece of paper and you've made a star on it.
Yes, it made like an apple stamp.
Love that. You know, speaking of fun things, why don't you come along with us today and let's see all the things we can explore at the apple orchard.
That sounds like a great idea. Come on. Hi, friends. It's the
Suitcase Teachers, Miss Allie.
and Miss Steph. And we're back from the apple orchard.
That was so fun.
I had such a great time. I hope you enjoyed the apple orchard too.
Ooh, I did too. Ooh, Miss Steph, what was your favorite thing about it?
Oh, I loved the hayride.
Yes.
And that yummy apple pie with ice cream on top.
Gosh, that was so yummy. I liked going to see all the apples in the apple orchard out there. You could see all the colors and you could pick them.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was a lot of fun. And I loved the apple donuts we got.
Those were so yummy.
What was your favorite part when you were with us on that?
Oh
yeah.
Yeah, I like that too.
I
forgot
do
about that
too.
part.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Well, since we've been learning about the letter A and its short sound, ah, and we looked at words that have the ah sound at the beginning of them, let's now try to find the sound in the middle of words.
Oh. Huh.
Yeah, not at the beginning of a word, but in the middle of a word.
Okay, so not like when we learned astronaut or when we learned alligator.
Right.
Not
those
like that.
were at the beginning. The sound was at the beginning.
Okay, it's got to be in the middle.
Yes, on the inside of the word.
On the inside of the word. This might be a little hard.
Yeah, this is a little bit harder, but
Okay.
I know you can do it.
Okay. Well, maybe our magic suitcase has some things in it that could help us with remembering the sound.
Listen, magic.
Magic suitcase.
I heard one.
Okay. I think I'm understanding a little bit. Okay. All right. Ooh, let's open it up and let's see if we got something in here. I see some things.
I see some things. I see all kinds of things.
I do too.
Well, let's look at these things and see if they have the
Okay, in the middle.
In the middle.
Okay.
All right, our first one is a hat. Hat. Do you hear the sound?
I do.
Yeah.
Hat.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I got it. I got this now. Okay. I'm getting this one. All right, ready? Duck.
Oh,
No.
I don't hear
duh. No, we didn't say da. We said duh.
Yeah.
Why was that even in here?
I don't know what the suitcase is thinking.
Okay, no, because that wasn't even right.
No.
Now I'm a little nervous.
Oh, you got it. Try again.
Okay.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Okay. All right. Well, how about cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Cat. Okay. Yep. Cat.
That's fine.
I hear that. Oh, it's a cute little cat too. Okay.
Let's see what else is in our suitcase.
Okay.
I'm just gonna pick one.
All right.
Oh, it's a bed.
Missed up. No. We didn't say bad.
No.
You said bed, not bad. That no.
What is our suitcase doing?
I don't know.
Maybe it's making us think.
Okay.
And not giving us the answers.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna try something.
Yeah. Try it again.
Okay. This is a bag.
Okay. Bag. Yes, Miss Steph. Yes.
Okay.
Bag. Okay, I think we've got it now. All right, we got one more thing. I hope this works. All right, this is a can. Can. Yes. Can. Okay.
That's it.
Now we're on a roll.
Yeah.
Let's try to find some other words. I feel like we can do this now.
I think we can.
What about some other words?
All right. How about
Ooh, Miss Steph is mad. Ooh, okay. All right, I'm gonna do one. Let's see. I am.
Oh, Miss Allie is sad.
Yeah. Sad.
Okay.
That's a good one.
How about if I am running and I go, hear it? That's a tag.
I hear it. Tag. Yes. Okay. How about if I was standing and then I sat?
We're good at this.
Sat. Okay. All right.
Let's see. How about rat?
Oh, okay. Those I don't like them, but that's a good word. Rat. Yes. Okay. Ooh, I think I know. It's black and it flies.
Oh, I know.
And it's sometimes in the fall. Bat. Yeah. Bat.
Yeah. Let's see. What if I take out a mat?
Oh, a mat. Ooh, I got one. Yes, okay. Mat. And you take a on the mat. Yes, we got it.
Yeah. Think
Yeah.
about it. How about you? Can you find any words that have that in the middle?
I bet you can.
Yeah, go find somebody to tell some of these words with the in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, but before you go on your hunt, let's practice the sound.
Okay.
Ready? Say it with us.
A says ah.
Good job.
Yay. Oh, Miss Steph, we have so many more, though, of our 5 superstar vowels.
I wonder which one we're going to do next.
I don't know. You're going to have to tune in and find out.
That's right. Well, we've had a great time on our adventure for short A. We hope to see you on our next adventure for our next superstar vowel.
Who knows what it'll be?
That's right.
We'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.